What's up? I'm Josh.
I'm Nick.
And today we are going to be installing a front lip on a Civic. Ooh, hasn't been done before. Anyway, here's our video of how to do it. What you're going to need your front lip.
Screws. Screw gun preferably, but a hand screwdriver will work. Just takes more time. And?
Rice.
Rice.
Alright, so step one is, well, have two people. One person on each side, lift the lip into place.
You want to make sure it fits the moldings on your bumper. Make sure you have the correct lip for said bumper. Otherwise, you will be doing this all day and it just won't fit right. Okay.
So if you want to pound those two in the middle.
Mine's already been used a few times, so it's getting mounted where the pre-holes are already made. Oh, shit. Okay, we're good.
Would you like another take?
Nope. The front ones are going to be a little bit easier to mount, just because it's kind of straightforward. I'm going to be doing it through the back side where the little lip cuts in on the bumper right here, so it's more hidden. And because this one's not broken enough to where I can't do that.
The easiest way to do that would be to turn your wheel opposite to the side that you're working on. So since we're going to be working on the passenger side, we're going to go ahead and turn the wheel to the driver's side first.
Once you've got your wheel turned the opposite direction of which side you're working on,
Have the other person hold up the lip.
make sure you can see.
That one won't fit, it don't look like. There you go. And now we will do the other side. Alright, now we're on the driver's side and we repeat the process. There you go. Alright, so there it is. That's how to install a front lip on a Civic. Now just remember, go enjoy your rice.